Morning and welcome to a vlog. Like so many vlogs before this, I started before sunrise. It's currently just after 6 a.m. 1 hour to go until sunrise, and still way too early because not too early just yet. In a few minutes we're going to be hitting the blue hour. That's exactly what I came here for. Wanted to get you really early because I just had that itch this morning. Could barely contain myself, just rushed out of bed and wanted to head down here near London Bridge to photograph the sunrise. And that's usually not like me because I struggle in the mornings like everybody else. I wake up and I'm like, oh my god, why am I doing this to myself? But today is different. Got all the energy, all the excitement, and I'm ready to share the sunrise with you. That's if we get a good one, because the weather report said the weather would be amazing this morning. But looking up, I see a lot of cloud cover and I'm not crazy optimistic right now, but I'm glad I came here anyway. So that's my little speech for this morning. Just try to start the day off with a lot of energy. I hope you're with me. Let's head over to London Bridge and set up a tripod and hopefully get some amazing shots. Are you ready? I'm ready. Let's go. Now ordinarily there's a really big skyscraper behind me called the Shard, right about here. Just here. Can you see it? I can't either. And this morning is actually completely covered in fog and its visibility is very, very poor because we actually came here to photograph Tower Bridge, which is just right about here. Can you see it? No, I can't either. So now these are poor photography conditions. Of it being so overcast and the visibility being that poor, we won't be in for a good sunrise. And I could complain right now and say, oh, let's write this morning off. Terrible idea coming down here, should have stayed in bed, complete waste of time. Or we can take these conditions and turn them to an advantage, because foggy conditions can look really cool and very surreal and just give you photos that really, really moody feel. Just look at these street lamps right now with that soft glow emanating off them. That can be beautiful as well. So definitely we can turn this into advantage. And just looking at Tower Bridge, yes, the first reaction is can't even see it, but with the right angle and just playing your angles right, you can get the Tower Bridge looking half visible. And I think that's exactly what we should try, because trying is all you can do, and I always say it's better to try and fail than to fail to have tried. That's it. So I think that's the right attitude, and since I came all this way, I'm definitely going to try and make that happen. Let's go. How's this for a mood? Check this out. This is exactly the kind of shot I was after, where the bridge is just half visible, and that's just looking awesome. So I got the tripod set up here, bit of water in the foreground, and just that moody feel on the bridge, half covered. It's just totally my kind of shot right now. Enjoying it a lot, and do you want to see what the final results look like? Here they are. Shoot location number 2, and this just made my morning. I just got the perfect shot, couldn't be happier. We're camped out here on the top of Tower Bridge, using these towers as the background, and then using this arch up here just to frame the shot even better, because it kind of adds a foreground element / interesting framing effect with this texture here at the bottom of the arch. It's just looking pretty, and I mean the shot kind of speaks for itself. You got that hazy, foggy look in the background, which just looks phenomenally moody, and that's just the perfect setting right now. So I've been waiting here, judging the traffic, and I saw a gap in the traffic. Jumped on the road because I saw no cars coming behind me. Stood in the middle of the road, red double-decker bus coming towards me with that hazy Tower Bridge in the background. Just perfect shot, one of the best shots I've ever taken. And I should stop hyping it up and show you guys and get your opinion on it as well. What do you think? This kind of shot made my morning, but your opinion is the one that counts. Let me know. Let me show you guys one of my favorite little hidden spots here in London, and just next to Tower Bridge there's a sneaky little staircase that leads you onto the beach. So right now it's low tide. Careful not to slip on the mud like I just did. It leads you all the way down to the beach, which gives you an amazing perspective onto Tower Bridge, which is just on the side here. And if you play it right, come here at low angle, you can get some amazing angles. But right now I'm not really focused on getting onto the beach. I'm really interested in the staircase here, which just makes for a perfect, here it is, which makes for a beautiful foreground element with tower and bridge just peeking up behind it, covered with the back tower in fog. Just the perfect real composition, how it fades away into the distance with a strong foreground element here for your staircase and this wall. I'm really happy with the shot, and the conditions couldn't be really any more perfect. Like I said at the beginning of the movie, could have just written the day off and said, no, looks ugly, grey, disgusting, but we're really making it work right here, walking away with some unique, amazing shots that are really difficult to replicate. And honestly, conditions like this in London only happen a small handful of days every single year. So when they do happen, always best idea is grab your camera, get out there, make it happen, and you can walk away with some really amazing, beautiful photos like I just did. Because I'm that confident, arrogant, and rate my photos that way. But no, genuinely speaking, I'm super happy with these photos. One of my best ones yet. Really enjoying this morning, and yeah, what do you think of this whole situation? Let me show you what it actually looks like, what I just described. Here you go. Oh, yeah. Quite a bit later now, and the fog is clearly past, as you can tell by the beautiful clear conditions behind me. What started off really grey and grim turned into a really beautiful day, and we find ourselves on the 120, the garden at 120. So new I can't even remember the name yet, because this is a brand new rooftop garden that opened here in London, and the views are just absolutely incredible. Check this out. Back here is the view onto the walkie-talkie, and you got beautiful 360-degree views over the whole city. Shard back here. It's incredibly hazy, but see, I have to take my word on this. Behind me there somewhere is Tower Bridge, and all around it's just a fantastic place to come for photography. Ideally not during the day, these aren't the best conditions, just hazy, boring blue skies. Come here for sunset, come here very early in the morning, late in the evening, and you'll get some amazing photos, but I just want to show you guys anyway, before I end this video. So yeah, the two views I'd recommend is this one right here. Walkie-talkie right there. Walk along the perimeter, find your own angle, make it work for you, and you can get some amazing compositions that way. And the other great view is this one right here. The Gherkin itself. This is absolutely one of my most favorite buildings in London. It's one of the oldest skyscrapers in the city, but still remains one of the most beautiful. Just that shape, it's just so incredibly unique and beautiful, and I just love it. Kind of reminds me of the Fabergé egg, but uniquely London at the same time. So, got an amazing photo of this as well, check it out. Before I start complaining too much about these incredibly bright, hazy, washed out conditions, I'd say let's call it a day and end this vlog right here. So what started off as a sunrise chase ended up in some incredibly moody, foggy shots, and I took one of the best shots I've taken in London ever. So it's been an incredibly successful morning. I'm extremely happy with my photos, and I hope you enjoyed joining me on this journey as always. And I'd also love to see you in a future episode. Do hit that subscribe button below and you won't be missing out. And I'd also appreciate your support by dropping a thumbs up button, because that does help this channel grow. And with that self-promotion of this YouTube channel being done now, it really is time to end this video. Thanks for watching, guys. See you soon. Bye bye.